Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you where can you access the DPI settings in your DOOGEE Blade 20 Max. I'm rather used to say doggy, not doogie, but it's up to you actually. But now let's focus on the DPI settings. So DPI settings are just only the display settings, and to have the access to them, at first you need to open settings. Here, these are the basics one, the top display, and now as you can see, here we do have display, size and text. If you tap it, you can change the display size, the font size. Here as you can see, you do have preview. And here, as you can see, we do have the bold text. You can either disable the bold text or enable it back again. You do have here the high contrast text too, which is nice. And if you want to reset the settings, you just have to tap reset settings over here. But that's not all, as you might think. Go back, and scroll all the way down to the About phone. Scroll all the way down again, and tap build number until you see you are now a developer. Sometimes you'll be prompted to enter the your pattern lock or passcode. Once done, go back, tap System, scroll down to the developer options, and here you can just move it faster actually. It's because it's below just every single networking, Bluetooth, etc. input. Here, as you can see, here you have the drawing section. In the drawing section, you need to find the smallest width. If you tap it, you can set the smallest width of your device. The default value is 360, but we can, for example, I think set it to 250. Oh, we can't. Okay, so maybe 500. And now here we do have this option. As you can see, the smallest and the default is 230, 320, so yeah. And so that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.